Good day, everybody. I'm Sonny, your host. On today's lecture, you're going to be learning about a pending order. Okay, pending order. Pending order. What are pending orders? Pending orders are orders that is placed before the time of execution. Probably you place a market at a particular. You place a market at a particular point or at a particular price, and you're expecting the market to get to that point or that price. So when the market gets to that price, it will automatically open a trade for you, either a buy order or a sell order. It's automatic. It's just like you're having your stop loss and you take profit. But this one is pending order. It's like a self robot inside a system. So you can say, okay, this market is buying, but when this market gets to a certain place, it will buy more. Okay, so then what will you do at that certain place, that point? You put a buy stop there. So once you put a buy stop there, once the market gets to that point, automatically it will open a buy order for you, and you can also place stop loss and take profit on your pending order. So likewise, the same thing on the sell stop. We have a buy stop, we have the sell stop. The sell stop, when the market is selling and it gets to a particular point, it hits that point, you place that sell stop, it automatically open a sell order for you. Okay, so let's just do something about it now. Let's practicalize it now. I'm going to open a sell order. I'm going to open a sell order. So where will I want to open a sell order, and the sell order I want to make it a sell stop. So the sell stop, I'll click on my screen, then I'll click on my shape. So once I click on my shape, then I'll take the shape and I'll put it somewhere here. Okay, I say if the market is selling and it gets to this point, let me say it gets to this point, start selling for me. So I'm going to put a sell stop there. So how do I put that? I'm going to click on my line and click and hold it. I'll click on this pen here. Once I click on the pen, I'm going to click on this point here. Okay, and hold to copy. So once I copy, then I'm going to click on done at the top of my screen. Then once I click done, then I'm going to go to this place, this order button. I'm going to click on it. Once I click on the order button, instead of clicking sell or buy, I'm going to click on market execution. Once I click on market execution, I'll see sell stop. So I'm going to click on this sell stop. So once I click on sell stop, I'm going to paste that price I copied here. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to click here and paste it here. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click paste. Then I'm going to choose the lot size I want to use. So I'm going to use a one standard lot, 1.00. Then I'm going to click place. Done. Okay, as you can see, the order has not opened yet because the market has not sell up to that point. So if the market should sell to that point, it will continue selling for me. It will open the order for me. So let's watch. The market is selling. It's currently coming down. So let me remove this red line so you can see our. Okay, are you seeing our sell stop? Look at it here with the dotted line. So I'm going to wait. Once the market gets to that point, automatically it will open a sell position for us. Okay, the market has shot up. Okay, the market keep going up. It keep going up. So I'm going to put another sell stop because the market went up more. So I want to put the sell stop around close to where you will just see it. Okay, let me put it around here. Okay, then I'm going to copy that. Click here, copy the new price. So I'm putting two sell stop now. I'm going to click done. I'm going to go to my trade here. I'm going to place the trade. Sorry, I'm going to click here, this stop here, to place a trade. I'm going to click my market execution. I'm going to click sell stop. Then I'm going to paste it there, the new price there, to have a two sell stop at one standard lot. I'm going to place it. So done. So I have two sell stop now. Now let's watch. Once the market gets sell to this point, you'll see it will open the trade for us. So let me remove that line. So now we have two sell stop. Now the first sell stop, we are waiting for the market to touch it, but the market shot up, so we'll insert another sell stop. So I'm waiting for the market to sell to that point. Once the market sells to that point, you'll see that this one, the second sell stop we just inserted, it will open the trade for us automatically. Just watch. Okay, if you check, the market is coming down. Look at the price is changing. It's selling. It's selling. It's selling. It's selling down. It's selling down. It's selling down. Okay. If I go to a 1 minute chart, you see that the market is selling. It's selling. It's selling. So I'm gonna see. I'll go to the 1 hour, the H1. I'm going to teach you about time frame. But just watch what happened here. Be checking our price. It's not yet executed. It has not yet opened. So once it touches the dotted line, automatically it will open a sell order. Nice. It's about touching. Keep your eye closed. You see it now. It's about touching. Watch. Nothing has happened yet. It's about touching. Watch. Watch. It's getting close. It's getting close. It's getting close. It's about touching. Automatically it has touched. Watch. You see, one has opened automatically for us, and that one I've started reading. The other one is still on pending. One has started giving us profit. The other one is still on pending because the market has not gotten to that price. Now you can insert take profit and stop loss on this what's it called, on this pending order by simply clicking it and click modify order. Once you click modify order, you can put your take profit here and stop loss. I've taught you how to do that. So thank you for watching this video.